Snowfall Land was a beautiful icy world where penguins were always laughing, playing, and sliding on snowy hills. They slid so fast and laughed so loudly that the whole land echoed with joy. The funniest and naughtiest penguin of all was Pingo, who proudly shouted, "Hello world, I don't like pants at all." One day, King Wobblebeak arrived in a royal style and announced, "For the festival, all penguins must wear pants." Hearing this, all the penguins froze and shouted together, "What?" When the penguins finally tried to wear pants, everything went wrong. Some slipped, some fell, and some got tangled in their own legs. Bingo cried out, "My legs are stuck!" Flip and Flap tried to walk together in one pair of pants, moving sideways like crabs, making everyone laugh. Suddenly, the snowy hill turned into a giant slide, and all the penguins zoomed down, screaming, "Whee!" At that moment, a pair of pants flew through the air and landed right on the king's head. The king blinked, then burst into laughter and said, "This is too funny. Pants are canceled." In the end, all the penguins danced happily and cheered, "No pants, only penguins!"